The POCO F7 Pro, expected to launch globally in May 2025, is anticipated to be a rebranded version of the Redmi K80 Pro. This flagship smartphone is rumored to feature a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth performance. It is likely powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage for seamless multitasking and ample data storage. The device is expected to include a versatile triple-camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and a 32MP ultra-wide lens, catering to diverse photography needs. Additionally, it is anticipated to come with a 6,000 mAh battery supporting 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting usage with rapid recharge capabilities. Running on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, the POCO F7 Pro is expected to combine a user-friendly interface with IP68 dust and water resistance, making it both durable and feature-packed.